It was my birthday a few days ago, so my friend is taking me to a birthday lunch at Knife Pleat. Let's go. My friend ordered a nice glass of champagne, but didn't realize it cost $78 until they started pouring, so she definitely savored every bit of that. And I don't remember what my drink is called, but it was delicious, and it's essentially a gimlet. This is the menu that we will definitely refer back to because I can never remember what each dish name is called. But essentially, we got the crudo, I got the catch of the day, and my friend got the duck leg. Also, a reminder, we don't eat like this every day because this is expensive. My friend was just being nice and treating me out for my birthday. Not even drunk, just toasting water for no reason.
My bad. Shoot. Yay.
Okay, so this is to awaken the palate. I am not gonna lie, she explained everything and I blacked out. So, luckily I have the menu and it's this champagne gooseberry oat milk thingy. Now that the palate's open, we have this crudo and that sauce was delicious. Really good. Next up is the main dish, and here is the duck leg. That is a beautiful crust. And here is the catch of the day, and I don't even remember what catch it was. Black truffle cream cheese. The supplement. With a salad and some toasted baguette. Everything so far has been very good. Now for dessert. This is a mouthful, so here it is on the menu. This tasted like a Ferrero Rocher and was good. And now ending the meal with more desserts. After lunch, we walked the mall a bit and we ended up at Gentle Monster. I do like these glasses, but I have LASIK, so there's no need. Until next time, bye!